Mastering the Cambridge English Online Results Service. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into the Cambridge English Online Results Service. If you've taken a Cambridge English exam, understanding this service is crucial. Why? It's your gateway to sharing and interpreting your results. Let's unravel this together, and by the end, you'll be an expert at using and sharing your scores with confidence. The Cambridge English Online Results Service is a digital platform provided by Cambridge Assessment English. This service allows candidates to view their exam results online. Not just that, it's a secure and quick way to access, share, and even verify exam results. Why bother with this online service? Well, 1. Speed. Traditional paper certificates can take time to arrive. With this service, you can see your results almost immediately after they're released. 2. Accessibility. Access your results from anywhere, anytime. All you need is an internet connection. 3. Security. It's a secure platform. Your results are protected, and you decide who to share them with. 4. Sharing made easy. Need to share your results with a university or an employer? No need to mail a certificate. Share it electronically. Using this service is a piece of cake. 1. Log in. Use the ID and secret number provided by your exam center. 2. View your results. Once logged in, you'll see a dashboard with your results. 3. Sharing results. If you wish to share, there will be an option to generate a unique link or code for institutions to verify your results. 4. Understanding your score. The platform might also offer insights or breakdowns on different sections of the exam, helping you understand where you excelled and where you might need improvement. 1. Bookmark the portal. Ensure you save the link for easy future access. 2. Keep login details safe. Never share your login details. They're personal to you. 3. Use updated browsers. For best functionality, make sure your internet browser is updated. 4. Seek support. If you face any challenges, there's usually a help or support section. Don't hesitate to use it. And there we have it. Now you're not just great at English but also an ace at navigating the Cambridge English Online Results Service. Remember, these results are a testament to your hard work, and with this online service, sharing and understanding them is simpler than ever. Until next time, keep learning and keep shining.